My name is Christy, and I am a kindergarten teacher here in the Cobb County School District. I'm currently obtaining my master's degree in accomplished teaching, and I have to make this video for my integrating technology class. I had to make a thematic unit study on the Georgia Performance Standards. So I have chosen to do social studies as my topic. My unit incorporates 4 lessons, 3 on U.S. symbols that are required of students to know in kindergarten. And the actual standard is SSKH2, and it's the student will identify important American symbols and explain their meanings. I have chosen A, B, and C, the national flag, the bald eagle, and the Statue of Liberty. I will briefly explain my 3 lessons and talk about my 4th lesson, which is my culminating and assessment activity that will incorporate technology. My first lesson focused on the American flag. We integrated technology, literature, and we did a hands-on activities for this lesson. One of the activities that we did was to make our own American flag. It is already pre-printed, and the students were to glue the red strips of paper as a pattern alternating, the red and white, and they were to color around the stars to make the blue background. Some children needed assistance with that, and luckily I have a paraprofessional in kindergarten to help me with those students. The second lesson was regarding the bald eagle. I used the smartboard to find pictures, to show pictures that I found on Google Images. And we read a few books, and we also did a hands-on activity where we made a bald eagle puppet using a paper bag. The third lesson that in this unit was on the Statue of Liberty. We also used images from the laptop on the smartboard, as well as reading books, and we did a hands-on activity that allow the students to make a crown and a torch. The 4th lesson, which was my culminating and assessment lesson, was taking the students to the computer lab and allowing them to use the software program that is installed on our computers called KidPix. This incorporates one of the technology standards that is required for children to be able to click and drag and to insert text into images or documents. So what the children were asked to do is create a picture by adding a text box and typing United States symbols as their title. They were to click and drag the 3 symbols that we had learned about this week. And for the more advanced, if they knew about other symbols, they were allowed to add those as well. They had to add another text box to type their name at the bottom. We printed their pictures, and we hung them in the hallway with our central question, which was, how can we identify and recognize United States symbols? I wish I could show you an example of that lesson. Due to our school being closed this summer because it is being painted, I was not able to access any of my materials or even get on my computer to provide an example for you that I could make. Overall, this thematic unit study turned out very well. The children thoroughly enjoyed working on the computers, and I actually had several colleagues ask how I did the lessons, and they implemented it in their classroom as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you very much.